Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Christine. Today I am unboxing an Amazon haul that I purchased, and this is a lightning deal also. So it's a purse. It's called Ansee Small Crossbody. And when I got this was $16.76. And the original price with this is $32. So it's $32. It also had $3 coupon off along with the price. So in total it was $16.76. So I couldn't pass that up. There are three colors. There is gold and red and also black. I purchased the black one. The gold one kind of looks more like a taupey, not like typical gold yellow color that you think of. But I opted for the black just because I like that color better, since as you can see my current purse right now is black as well. So packaging just came in here just like that. I open it up. It's got it's in a bag like this. Right there. And as you can see, it's got a bow on top with the brass gold color. And it's a flap opening just like this with magnetized front or lock closure. How funny, it's very similar to the one I have right now too. So it's just like that. It's chain, gold chain. Check out the inside first. So it's just like this. And there is a little compartment right here at the front of the bag, and my fingers fit in there. And on the back part there is a zippered compartment. And with that, just like this much of my hand fits in there. So let's see if you can see it. So it's right here. And the front compartment is right there. So it's light brown inside and the outside is black. This is not a soft material like this one. As you can see, it's like you can squeeze it. This one is firm. Okay. And it's magnetized closure. There's no zippered compartments at the back. And I'm 5'1". Just to save time, I'm just going to pull this back like this. Just like that. I put it on. So I'm 5'1". This one sits up to my hips where I like it to be. Just right there. So what I'm going to do is put all my stuff in there, and it's just the necessities I bring because I haven't been going out for too long anyways. So I'll start with the stuff that I have here. I have my wallet. I got my driver's license here and my keys, my cards, and my change pouch or my coin purse. in here in my old purse my mask, so I got 2 of them. Hand sanitizer, some gloves, and some wipes as well. Close it up. Okay, so it looks like this. As you can see, it is full. And it closes just like that, no problem. And if you are interested in purchasing this, I hope that was helpful, and give it a thumbs up and subscribe. That will definitely make my day.